especially in classics. 1996 model year Chevrolet Impala SS Sedan. The dark cherry metallic paint. Of course, LT1 powered, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and look at the reflection coming off that hood. Of course, the 5-spoke aluminum SS wheels, BF Goodrich Comp TA radials it's riding on. Now, you will have a few little spots where maybe you got to touch up here and there, but overall, paint shows very well, and it should. It's a clean Carfax 2-owner car, a little over 48,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, grille, headlights. Just the condition of this car, tell it was well taken care of, adult owned, adult driven. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about, look at the engine bay, look at the interior, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Stock light gray bucket seats. Of course, 96 with the center console. A stock dash. Not noticed any modifications on this car. It does have a new fuel pump that was recently installed in it. One thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the SS wing on the deck lid. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear fascia, or bumper if you will. And again, you can see the reflection paint condition back here too, also nice in this car. Of course, dual exhaust in the Impala SS's. Go ahead and look down the driver's side of this car. Pretty much free of any dings, nicks, or scratches. Again, there's a few of those little touch-up spots I showed you in the front, but overall, again, car does show well. Pull off that so we don't have to listen to the door chime. All right, and as you can see, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats both sides. Take a look at the carpeting, original floor mats. Original bucket seats, and look at the condition of the seats. Also good shape. Let's go ahead and start this up, show you the exact miles. Again, won't be afraid to get in this one, turn the key and go. So there's your miles, 48,043. Take a look at the dash. Not sun-baked, not cracked, anything like that. Again, AC blows cold, AM, FM, CD, and radio does work. No check engine lights, gauges are in working order, no maintenance lights, anything like that on. Of course, the center console. All right, let's go around to the back, check out how this thing sounds. Sounds like a stock 96 Impala SS with an LT1 in it. Notice, not smoking. Nice running engine. Speaking of which, let's pause this a second, pop the hood, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is. Again, 5.7 liter. And the stock engine. This would have been produced with back in 1996. See the AC compressor kicking on and off, as it should. Looks and sounds good. So there you go. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sedan. Clean Carfax. Carfax shows 2 owners, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.